kind of looks like a cappuccino, you know, like the foam on the top. What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and today we are getting crazy with instant snow. Today we're doing snow science. I'm so ready. It's time to flurry your world. And for our first hack, we have glow snow. We get to extract ink from highlighters because they glow under black light. Just like put out your Insta-Snow, and then you're gonna like drizzle a little bit. It feels like real snow. Kind of looking a little brown in real light, so let's check it under the black light. It's literally like my dreams of glow-in-the-dark stuff has come true. Do you hear it? Glow snow, let's hack it! For this DIY, you're gonna need some highlighters, pliers, gloves, and Insta-Snow. First, gloves for safety. Next, take apart the highlighters and squeeze the ink inside. Make Insta-Snow and add your color of choice. Drizzle your highlighter liquid on top of your Insta-Snow. Now add water to fluff it up. Turn on your black light and you got snow that glows. Yep, black light officially makes everything better. And for our second hack, we're gonna be making a volcano out of Insta-Snow. It's a chemical reaction, it's making carbon dioxide. So we're gonna be making Insta-Snow, just volcano, and then explosion. We are going to be putting baking soda. Now's the fun part. Give it a little shower in Insta-Snow. She's coming together. Okay guys, it's the moment of truth. We are going to test it. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go. Go. Yeah! Oh, it looks better back here. It's so pretty. Snow volcano. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need baking soda, dish soap, food coloring, white vinegar, a vase, gloves, and Insta-Snow. First, sprinkle the Insta-Snow around your vase and create the volcano shape. Add baking soda, soap, and food coloring inside of the vase. Pour in your vinegar to make the volcano erupt. Lava! You know the stuff that I put inside, like the baking soda, the soap, and the food coloring? That's the magma, the stuff that's inside. But just imagine that the vinegar is already in there, but it hasn't erupted yet. It spews out, it's lava. So magma, lava. For our last tag, we have snow gems. They are literally Orbeez with glitter on them. If you can't get your hands on like this or real snow and you want to like bring it inside, then just make Orbeez. Comment down below how many Orbeez you think are in this. That were in this, I guess. Glittery snow gems. Let's hack them. For this DIY, you'll need clear water beads, white paint, iridescent glitter, and gloves. First, cover your beads in water and let them expand. Add paint and glitter and freeze them all. Snazzy. All that glitters is snow. Wow, a lot of Orbeez fit in a little small hand. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this day of experiments. This is kind of new on my channel, so like if you guys like it, make sure to like up this video and subscribe for more DIYs every Friday and robots battling each other on Saturday. Comment down below what your favorite was. I think mine was obviously this. And the weekly Goldie Squad shout out goes to Daniela Suarez. Thank you so much. That was fun. Okay, girl power. She's bringing it with the hashtag women can do everything guys can. Can and can't. Till next time, hackers, Snowy Blocks signing off.